Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to show you how you can install Approveit to your Microsoft Teams workspace. The first thing that you need to do, you need to make sure that you have admin rights for Microsoft Azure, because only admins can install apps. Okay, if you have admin rights in Microsoft Azure, then you can proceed. So what you need to do, you need to go to the apps right here, then you need to search for Approveit. Okay, then you need to click Add right here, Add to Team. Then you need to select the team or channel name, let it be General, and click Setup. Okay, now you have to sign in right here. Okay, all set. You just click Save, and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, if it is the first time you are installing Approveit to your Microsoft Teams and you haven't talked to our team yet, then you just need to click Start Now, and then you will be asked to book a call where we would be happy to guide you through. If we have already talked to your team and you are either running a pilot or you already have your subscription activated, then you need to click Start Now, and you will be redirected to the page where you will be able to create your workflows. So let me click Start Now. Okay, I need to sign in one more time. I need to select an account. Okay. Okay, now I have accessed my web version of Approveit. Now I need to go to the team section right here. And I can make sure that all my users from Microsoft Teams workspace, especially from the channel where I have installed Approveit to, appear on this tab. So you can see all these guys, and they come from the channel in Microsoft Teams. Okay, now we can proceed and create your first workflow. So you go to your workflow section, you click Create New Workflow. Okay, I have created my workflow right here. So now if I go back to Microsoft Teams, I will be able to create requests. Let me show you. Okay, you can see that now you can create your first approval request, or you can just view your dashboard right here. So let us click New Approval Request. So you can choose Bill Approval Workflow, click Next, and create your request. That's it. That's it for the admin. For requesters, life is super easy. So once the app is installed to your workspace in Microsoft Teams, requesters will automatically see it. So you just need to make sure that people who need to access Approveit in Microsoft Teams appear on this page in the Teams section. If they do not appear, please make sure that they are in the same channel where you have installed Approveit to, and just click Import and select Teams. So just to make sure that your users are imported to Approveit and can use Approveit in Microsoft Teams. That's how it works. If you still have questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.